History is written in blood and gunpowder, but the ink is changing. We are entering the third revolution in warfare, the era of autonomous systems. Just as the cannon and the atomic bomb once reshaped the world, artificial intelligence is now redrawing the front lines of global security. The digital clock is ticking. This isn't science fiction. It is a high-stakes evolution that threatens the very stability of our international order. At the heart of this shift is the kill chain. We are moving from human-on-the-loop oversight to a terrifying human-off-the-loop reality. When the machine becomes the executioner, the speed of war accelerates beyond human comprehension. The algorithm classifies, selects, and engages in milliseconds. Behold the arsenal of autonomy. Sleek, loitering munitions, often called suicide drones, patrol the skies searching for targets in a wireframe world. On the ground, heavy four-legged units navigate urban corridors. These machines don't feel fear, they only follow the logic of their programming. But the true nightmare is the swarm. Hundreds of small, synchronized units moving like a predatory cloud, capable of overwhelming any defense. This technology rests on a black box of machine learning. We feed data into neural networks, but the internal logic often becomes unrecognizable. In the fog of war, an algorithmic hallucination could misidentify a civilian as a combatant. Who is held accountable when the trigger is digital? There is no soul to jail. This accountability gap creates an ethical collapse where accidental escalation could trigger a global conflict in seconds. We are trapped in a new arms race. Nations feel forced to build what they fear, caught in a security dilemma where speed is the only defense. This is our Oppenheimer moment. We must balance the lightning speed of AI with the slow, heavy wisdom of human judgment. The kill chain is tightening. If we don't act now, we may find that the machines have already decided our future. The question is, will we be in it?